Buckle up, everyone, because today we're diving into a day that sent shockwaves through the crypto world.
A day the crypto markets will never forget.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We're talking about Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high. Can you believe it?
It's absolutely remarkable.
According to the November 8th report from Crypto Deep Dive, Bitcoin smashed through its previous record.
Reaching a staggering $76,940.
I mean, wow. Just wow.
It's a truly remarkable milestone, especially considering the overall crypto market cap is down slightly today. But as you know, the crypto world is rarely boring.
Never a dull moment, right?
Right. Individual cryptocurrencies are painting a much more dynamic picture.
So let's break down what fueled this Bitcoin surge. The report points to two major events: Trump's unexpected election win.
And the Fed's decision to cut interest rates.
Not your typical crypto news, right?
Right. But what's fascinating here is how these events are being interpreted by crypto investors.
So how are they interpreting them?
Well, Trump's victory, coupled with the Fed's rate cut, is seen as a potential shift towards deregulation.
Okay, I'm following you.
And policies that could be favorable to the crypto industry.
So investors are betting on a crypto-friendly environment under a Trump administration.
Exactly. They see this as a green light for more innovation and growth in the crypto space, which is driving up demand and, consequently, the price of Bitcoin.
And it's not just about the political and economic climate. Bitcoin is also making waves as a global asset.
Absolutely.
It's now the 9th largest in the world.
It's a huge deal. It signifies a growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate store of value.
And a major player in the global financial system.
Precisely.
For those following along, where is Bitcoin trading right now?
As of this moment, Bitcoin is hovering around $75,800 with resistance at $77,000 and support holding strong at $74,600.
Interesting. What does this all mean for the future of Bitcoin? Are we on the verge of another epic bull run?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It is.
Predicting the market is always a gamble, but the current indicators are definitely pointing in a bullish direction.
I'm sure Bitcoin holders are feeling pretty good right now. But Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency making headlines today. Ethereum is also surging up by an impressive 2.38% to reach 2,905.09.
That's actually outperforming Bitcoin's gains.
It is. That's really interesting. So what's driving this surge?
Ethereum's surge is particularly interesting because it's being fueled by several factors. We're seeing increased activity in the decentralized finance sector, that's DeFi for short,
Right.
which essentially allows users to lend, borrow, and trade crypto assets without intermediaries.
Like a peer-to-peer financial system.
Exactly. We're also seeing growing institutional interest.
Really big players getting involved.
Yes, and a lot of buzz surrounding upcoming network upgrades.
The report specifically mentioned the success of Layer 2 solutions. Can you explain what those are and why they're so important for Ethereum?
Of course, imagine Ethereum as a highway. As more cars transactions get on the highway, it gets congested, leading to slower speeds and higher tolls. Layer 2 solutions are like building express lanes on top of the existing highway,
I like that analogy.
allowing for faster and cheaper transactions.
So these Layer 2 solutions are helping Ethereum become more efficient and scalable.
Exactly. This is crucial for Ethereum's long-term success as it faces competition from other blockchains that claim to be faster and more cost-effective. And the fact that these upgrades are delivering on their promises is a big reason why investors are feeling bullish on Ethereum.
Got it. So with Ethereum now approaching the $3,000 mark, what happens if it manages to break through that resistance level?
If Ethereum breaks through the psychological barrier of $3,000, we could see a rapid climb towards $4,000.
Wow.
Of course, there will be some resistance along the way, but the overall sentiment is positive.
Now let's shift our attention to another rising star in the crypto world. Solana. It's up a solid 4.94% today, hitting 198.03 and putting it within striking distance of that $200 mark.
Solana's consistent growth is quite remarkable. It's quickly gaining popularity as a platform for new token launches.
And what's driving this popularity?
Especially in the world of meme coins.
Meme coins. That's a whole other conversation.
It is. It's thanks to Solana's user-friendly platform.
And while the term meme coin might sound like a joke, some of these tokens are actually attached to real projects with interesting utility.
Absolutely.
It's important to remember that not everything in the crypto world is about making a quick buck.
That's a great point. And beyond the meme coin frenzy, Solana boasts a thriving DeFi ecosystem that's attracting both developers and users.
So it sounds like Solana has a lot going for it. Can it keep this momentum going and finally break through that $200 level?
It certainly has the potential. Solana has shown incredible resilience and innovation, but as with any investment, there are risks involved.
Of course. Always important to keep that in mind.
It's crucial to do your research and not get caught up in the hype.
Yeah.
Remember, this is your hard-earned money we're talking about.
Wise words. Now, here's one that's got everyone talking. A token called Neiro, N-E-I-R-O. That's absolutely skyrocketed over the past 2 days. We're talking gains of over 22% for the second day in a row.
This is a classic example of the volatility we often see in the crypto market, especially with smaller, lesser-known tokens. While the specific reasons for Nero's sudden surge aren't clear, there are a few possibilities.
Let's hear them. What could be driving this massive price jump?
It could be a sudden wave of social media hype, speculative trading driving up the price, or perhaps some exciting developments within the project itself that have caught the attention of investors.
Interesting. So should we all be jumping on the Neiro bandwagon?
Hold on. While these rapid gains are tempting, it's important to remember that corrections are common, especially in the world of smaller tokens. It's essential to approach these situations with caution and do your due diligence before making any investment decisions.
A healthy dose of skepticism is always a good thing in the crypto world, especially when things seem too good to be true. Now, before we wrap up this part of our deep dive, let's take a quick look at some predictions from the analysts. The report mentions that analysts are feeling pretty bullish on a few other cryptos, specifically Near Protocol, Polkadot, DOT, and IntelMarkets, INTL.
It seems the post-election buzz is fueling optimism across the board.
CryptoPhase seems particularly excited about Near predicting it could hit $8.50 soon,
Interesting.
while World of Charts is betting on Polkadot to reach $7.50. And get this, someone's predicting a 500% jump for IntelMarkets this month.
Remember, folks, these are just predictions. The market is notoriously unpredictable. While analysts can provide valuable insights, it's important to do your own research and make your own informed decisions.
Couldn't agree more. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about something that's been a recurring theme throughout our deep dive: regulation.
Yes.
It's a topic that always seems to be looming over the crypto world, and the recent election has only added to the uncertainty surrounding it.
That's true. Regulation is undoubtedly one of the biggest challenges and opportunities facing the crypto industry.
How so?
Well, on the one hand, clear and well-defined regulations can provide legitimacy, stability, and protection for investors, fostering greater adoption.
Right, it creates a safer environment for everyone.
Exactly. But on the other hand, overly restrictive regulations could stifle innovation and hinder the growth of this emerging technology.
So finding the right balance is key.
Absolutely. It's a delicate balancing act that regulators around the world are grappling with. The crypto community is watching closely to see how this regulatory landscape evolves, especially with the new administration in the U.S.
And as we discussed earlier, Trump's previous stance on crypto suggests a potentially favorable environment for the industry. But we'll have to wait and see how things actually unfold.
It's a dynamic situation, for sure. One that will be interesting to see how it plays out.
Okay, well, I think we've reached the end of our crypto deep dive. We've explored the highs and lows, the trends and predictions, the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for this industry. From Bitcoin's record-breaking surge to the rise of meme coins and the looming question of regulation, it's clear that the crypto world is constantly in motion.
It truly is. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with everyone listening in today. Hopefully you've gained a deeper understanding of the forces shaping the crypto market and feel empowered to make your own informed decisions.
As always, we encourage you to continue exploring and stay informed. The crypto world is full of surprises, and who knows what groundbreaking innovations are just around the corner. Until next time, happy investing, everyone.